up, Kurlz crew, and how are you guys doing? I am Kurlz. Welcome. Well, today I am going to be showing you guys how to stretch out your hair, whether it be for styling or if you need to trim your ends, whatever it is. I am going to show you guys how to do it. Also, I was feeling very red today, and not because I'm angry, but because it's close to Valentine's Day. So I put together this lovely red ensemble for you guys. So if you guys would like to see how I got to this lovely stretched look, then you please stay tuned.
Bye, Felicia.
Y'all fancy.
So I am starting with my 3-day-old By Felicia braids, and those two oils that you saw there, the Cantu and the argan oil, are what I used in my hair when I did put them up into these braids, and then I just pinned it up and left it for 3 days. And I am just going to pin those sections out of the way, or put in a ponytail holder out of the way, and then I'm going to unplait, obviously, because you can see that, duh. Then I am going to detangle, which my hair is already detangled. And then I am going to, at first you guys are going to see me here use a comb, but like, who uses a comb anymore? But I am just going to finger separate for the rest of it. And I am just going to take that hot iron down my length of my hair. And you only need to pass it once or twice. And those are my red flat irons. They are so amazing. So again, yes, just separate, go to the next one, detangle it. You want to take your fingers and put it at your root a little bit, just to give it a little bit of tension to pull it out a little, and then just go down the length of your hair like you seen there. And you're just going to do that until you are done the rest of your hair. So I'm going to keep the process a little bit slower for now. And then I am going to speed it up when I get to the other sides of the head, just so you can get a better idea for how long it's going to take. This took me about 25 minutes in total to do. It took me a little bit longer because, again, I had to take out my plaits. If you guys don't want a plait, that's okay. You can do this with an old twist out or whatever it is that you are looking for doing. So yep, I am just going to let this fast forward. Y'all, it was getting hot underneath of all of that hair. This is why I don't like to flat iron my hair or straighten it out or wear it straight at all. Number one, my hair puffs up a lot quicker. Like you guys can see in this video, before I'm even done, my hair is going to puff a little bit. But I'm just going to secure my hair tonight and wrap it. When I'm done, that's going to keep it nice and smooth. It's going to be nice and silky, and it'll keep it detangled and in that stretched form until I'm ready to do whatever the next thing is that I'm going to do with my hair. But I am just going to allow this to finish speeding up. I really hope you guys like it. Hey guys, so this is my finished product. I put my hair up into a little ponytail in the front, and I'm just gonna let that hang over. I decided to style my hair. I will have a video coming out soon from me trimming my ends. This is exactly what I usually try and do this for. This is not going for a silk press look, you guys. It's literally just a stretched look. I am gonna be doing a video soon that is gonna show more of like a silk press, but it's just how I straighten my hair, and it looks nice and silky, and it has body and shine, and it's beautiful. But that's not what we're going for today. Just a stretched old wash and go braid out anything just to get to this look. So I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. And as always, thank you guys so much for watching. Till next time, bye.